Investing in property involves careful planning and understanding of the real estate market. Here's a guide on how to invest in property. Research. Understand the local real estate market trends, property types, and potential areas for investment. Research factors like property values, rental demand, and growth prospects. Financial assessment. Evaluate your financial situation and set a budget for your property investment. Consider how you will finance the purchase, whether through savings, a mortgage, or other means. Property type. Decide on the type of property you want to invest in, such as residential, commercial, or rental properties. Each type has its own potential benefits and risks. Location. Choose a location with growth potential, good amenities, and accessibility. Proximity to schools, markets, and transportation can influence property value. Property inspection. Conduct thorough property inspections to assess its condition. This is crucial to avoid surprises and unforeseen repair costs. Legal due diligence. Ensure all legal aspects are in order, including property titles, ownership history, and any pending legal disputes. Financing. If needed, secure financing through a mortgage or other sources. Understand interest rates and repayment terms. Purchase. Once you found a suitable property, negotiate the purchase price and terms with the seller. Work with a real estate agent or lawyer if necessary. Maintenance and management. If it's a rental property, plan for ongoing maintenance and property management. If it's a personal property, consider its upkeep, rental income, or resale. If investing in rental property, determine rental rates based on market conditions. For personal use, you might benefit from potential property value appreciation over time.